Hey guys, Tim here from Candid Tech TV. Today I'm going to show you the unboxing of this Vankyo V600 projector here. So I actually did do the full review of this already. It's up on the channel. I'll put that up towards the end of the video there in the corner and it'll be in the description. But let's hop into that and I'll show you the unboxing here. Hey guys, so we're taking a look here at this Vankyo Performance V600. So this is a pretty big box first off here. We're going to open this up and see what is inside. Alright, I'm going to pull this box off, kind of get to the padded part inside. Alright guys, so here is the contents inside here. So we are going to have an HDMI cable. Here is a remote. Got the power cable right here to plug in. AV cable. Alright, so as you see, you got a nice pouch here. This looks pretty cool. Got the Vankyo branding there. There's even like a front pocket here. And there's actually stuff in there. Got the manual and stuff in here. Alright, so yeah, you got these kind of straps right here that you can hold it by. On the top, there's the zipper right there. So we'll open that up. So here's the actual projector. Alright, yeah, so there it is. So lens is right here with the lens cap. So yeah, I got the focus wheel keystone right there. So keystone, focus wheel in the front. It's going to retract your lens back and forth. Looks like you got an IR sensor here on the front for that remote. Looks like on the front here too, you also have a little prop for kind of leaning the projector up so that you can then use in combination with that keystone wheel if you need to tilt the picture at all. But on the top here you got all your buttons. You got your power button, stop, kind of like menu button, fast forward, down arrows, okay, all that kind of stuff there if you don't want to use the remote. Here is the back side. You've got your fan on there. You got right here where the power cable is going to go, 2 HDMI slots, USB there, 5-volt USB, another IR sensor for the remote, and then a VGA port right there. Then over on the bottom, this does look like it has here then some threads for a ceiling mount to bracket that down. You've also got then some kind of rubberized pads right here that actually feel really nice. That'll help kind of like on a glass top or some type of surface like that. And then like I said, you got your little wheel here to kind of tilt the projector up. Well, if that does actually stay very nice with having those little kind of rubberized feet on there. You really can't move this at all. This isn't going anywhere. Okay guys, so as you see there, you do get pretty much everything that you're going to need included with this as far as cables and things like that. You get a pretty good carrying case too. It's pretty compact, so it's pretty awesome because you could take this with you too if you'd like. But yeah, this is Vankyo's first full 1080p native projector, so I did the full review on that. I also did a breakdown of the whole Vankyo projector lineup. So if this one isn't for you, they also have a few more inexpensive options and kind of looking more at like kind of 800p and 480p resolution. So I'll put that Vankyo breakdown video right up here. I go over kind of all the different options that Vankyo has and kind of the differences between them. But if you guys do like projectors and other tech videos, I do weekly content here on my YouTube channel. Hit that subscribe button, like this video if you liked it, please. Dislike it if you disliked it. Yeah, thanks for spending your time here with me today, and you take care till the next video.